Hello and welcome you all to another lecture of physical physics. So, today we are going to discuss some problem related to motion in a straight line. It is basically class 11 physics and it will help you in JEE exam videos. So, there is a problem. So, before solving this problem, we have to go through the theory portion of this chapter and then we can solve this type of problems. First of all, the question is given like that in bar runs at a constant speed of the track of radius 100 meter, taking 62.8 seconds for every circular lap. Find the average velocity and the average speed. So, if you find the average velocity, we average, we have to take the displacement time. Displacement is and time by t. So, the car is taking a circular lap. You have to find for each circular lap, average velocity and average speed for each circular lap. If we start from the beginning point and move back to the same point, so we can say there is displacement is zero. If displacement is zero, so the average will be zero, whatever will be the time. Now, if we find the average speed, let's say average speed divided by v dash average, this will be distance upon time. Distance is speed and time is speed. So what will be the distance? For circular that distance from the distance is basically the perimeter of the circle. Is the perimeter of the circle. So what is the perimeter of circle? From the perimeter of circle is by r. So distance will be 2 by r, and r is given and we know the value of y, that is 3.14, and r is basically meter. So we can put the value here. So what will be the value? It will be 3.14 into 100. And what is the time? 62.8 seconds. 62.8 seconds. So if we forget the decimal, we get 31400. 6 to 8. Here, there's 2 points. After 2 decimal points, after decimal, there's 2 places. You can take 100 denominator and get change. Numerator is decimal. But the yes, after the decimal. So now we have to calculate this. Cancel 100. Cancel. So what will be the average? Average speed will be 10 meter per second. So average velocity is 0 meter per second, and average speed is 10 meter per second. That's the answer. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. So move on to the next problem. Here is basically given a graphical problem. Graph is basically displacement versus time. Angle is given, and we have to find the ratio of their respective velocity when the particles moving and 30-degree angle and 45-degree angle. So we know if you draw a straight line from here, and if you take this is y1, x1, and it's y2. So if you take tan theta 1, if you take theta 1 as 30 degree and theta 2 as 45 degree, so what will be the tan theta 1 will be y by x, that is y1 by x1, isn't it? So, and y1 by x1 is displacement upon time, and displacement upon time will give you, displacement upon time will give you, time is basically fixed with two cases. So if you take time, we will get v1. And what is the result of v1? If you take v1, tan 30, theta 1 is tan 30. Similarly, we will get for this part, v2 will be tan 50. So we find the ratio of velocity of particles 30-degree angle and 45-degree angle. That means you have to find the ratio of V1 and V2. So what will be the ratio? That is tan 30 divided by tan 45. So you know the value of tan 30 is by 3 and tan 45 is 1. So V1 is to V2. So 1 is to 3. That is the answer. So move on to the next problem, that is H3G is given as this is basically the displacement, and P is basically AG plus BG squared, and XQG, that is the displacement at the XQG is the, that is when the equation that FP minus T squared. At one time, do the cars have the same velocity? That means you have to find from, this is basically displacement, we have to find velocity from here, and from here we have to find the velocity, that is dqg. So what will be the velocity? Basically, we have to take the derivative of the xdg. So you know gdt of at plus bg square. What will be the result? At, that will be a for t, we get 1. B has 2, 3 terms down, when it has a coefficient, and B has it, and power subtracted. So 2 minus 1 will give you 1. So A plus will be the result of dqg. Similarly, dqg, for dqg, you have to do the derivative of x cubed t. So what is the value of x qt? X qt is basically ft minus g square. So you have to do the derivative of t respect to t will be 1. So we get f from here and t from here, because power will reduce by 1 and 2 will come as the coefficient. So according to the question, we get the same, we have the same velocity. But with dpg equal to dqg. So dpg equal to dqg. The question, for the given question, that will be the same velocity. So we can write a plus 2bg is equal to f minus 2g. From here, we have to find t. So we can take g plus 2g f minus a. If we take t as g as common, so what will be the result? B plus 1 f minus a. So t will be f minus a to b plus 1. So that is the result, that is time equal to b minus a 2 into b plus a. So this is the given problem and solution provided. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section.